Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I'm going to show you the plum. You can see this is big market. This is big market and the market name is Bergangarampur Lisur Arot. So you can see the lot of person and a lot of people and a lot of farmer. So already he brought them many plum. See, the farmer is doing at the time and the pick up at the time. So if you want to check the plum, so no problem, call me. And if you like this video, so please subscribe and comments. And please, and really I cannot speak English, but I try how to improve English speaking. And if I mistake any word or any sentence, please help me and teach me. So bye, Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, see you again. Bye, Allah Hafiz.